Good morning from Sweet Home, Oregon. I'm Kevin here at Radiator Supply House, home of the Icebox. Typically, I'm the one behind the camera who's taking photos of these units. I also do new business development as well. However, I'm gonna hand this over to Will, let him talk about this unit for a second. So over to you, Will.
Yeah, so if you're on our website and you look at all those beautiful photos, Kevin's the guy taking pictures of those. Today, we're here with a new unit developed. This is a Hyster S40E Radiator. A little bit of who we are at Radiator Supply House. We build radiators for all types of equipment, trucks, critical power, forestry, RVs, mining, agriculture, amongst other industries like that. And oftentimes what happens is people come to us and they have a problem, whether it's a radiator that's been discontinued, an oil cooler that has failed for some reason. It's a product that was put into a new OEM and it just doesn't work right from the factory, which happens a lot more often than you would think. We're a solution company. We like to solve problems. So what we've done oftentimes, in this case here, I think if I'm right, this one was going into a hay application, and maybe where somebody was using it in a feed store or something like that. And so we needed to open up the fin spacing, allow that to breathe. So our sales reps, they like to listen and hear what was the problem, and then what they end up doing is going in and helping build that unit, have it designed in a way that solves your problems. These are all bar and plate cores, very, very heavy duty design. Everything is hand built here at Radiator Supply House. Very solid product. Oftentimes we'll tell people you got to buy an extra set of leaf springs in the front of your vehicle because they weigh so much more, but they're just a very solid piece. We have just under 8,000 SKU numbers developed. And if you're on our website and you see something we haven't developed, reach out to us. That's how we get our samples. So we will get that unit back from you, reverse engineer it, and then it goes to our R&D department, our CAD department, on through fabrication and into a final piece. We like to say always, please go support your local radiator shop. Ask them for an Icebox. Your local equipment or truck dealership, ask them for an Icebox. Most every one of them are dealers for our product, and that's how you can get an Icebox in your machine.